Have you ever wondered what it's like inside an airplane cockpit? It's a hidden world, full of mystery for passengers. But for pilots, it's our office with the best view. Stepping inside is exciting. It's where we take control of a powerful machine. Join me and get a peek inside the cockpit of an Airbus A350. The A350 cockpit is modern and sleek. Instead of old-style dials, we have digital screens. We call this a glass cockpit. These screens show all the important information: airspeed, altitude, navigation, and engine data. It's easy to monitor everything. The A350 uses a fly-by-wire system. This means our control inputs are processed by computers. The computers make flying smoother and safer. Takeoff is always a thrill. We line up on the runway, increase engine power, and feel the plane accelerate. We gently pull back on the controls, and the A350 lifts smoothly into the air. Landing is the most challenging part. We use autopilot to help us descend and navigate, but we take manual control for the final approach. It requires precision to touch down softly on the runway. Safety is our top priority. Before each flight, we do a thorough pre-flight check. We inspect the aircraft and review flight plans and weather. During the flight, we constantly monitor systems. We have 2 pilots in the cockpit. We work as a team. This helps us fly safely and handle any situations.